comes from originality. Brand comes from the intimate service. Takeoff comes from forging ahead. Mingyu Heavy Industry read the sail for the industry. Each product is a duty for Mingyu staff. Mingyu Automatic Factory produces perfect products continuously. Professional training enables every producers and managers to master cutting-edge manufacturing and management philosophy. Each design pursues excellence and perfection, just to live up to the promise to global customers. Industry unique patent across the enterprise, with technological innovation at the core competitiveness. Mingyu pursues the intelligent manufacturing in China. Each test is the beginning for the pursuit of perfection. Drive innovation with technology, achieve breakthroughs with innovation, only for creating the industry's highest standards. We have introduced intelligent manufacturing, which is a powerful engine for the high-quality development of our enterprise, so as to build the industry's digital factory. Lean management extends production management to each step of the production process. Mingyu strives to explore the infinite possibilities of intelligent manufacturing, leading the machinery manufacturing industry to the era of intelligence. First-class service team, intimate professional service, provide full-time quality service for the worldwide sales and service network. In the face of the complex global market, we adhere to the original mind so as to gain thousands of trust. In Mingyu, dynamic development poles can be seen everywhere. Because we are not willing to be just ordinary. In the new era, unlimited development space will be provided to those who never forget their original intention. Mingyu will brave the wind and waves and sail far away. Industry leader is cast by high quality.